Hello guys, welcome back again. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show to you how to add a keyframe and make it as an object tracking on your video only using Capcut Mobile. So the way to create it, first you need to open your Capcut and then import a video that you want to add this object tracking. And the next step, when you already import your video onto your page like this, now you just need to click the clip like this and then add a keyframe onto the first duration, and now zoom in onto the exact object that you want to track. For example, I'm going to zoom in onto this man, this one, and yep, let's do that. So the first thing, zoom in onto the exact object like this, put it on the center of the screen, and then slowly slide your clip onto the next duration, and make sure you adjust the positioning while following the movement from the object. Wait for a moment. Like this. And when it's finished, now you can adjust the size from the clip again. Make it back onto the original size. And like this by pinching your finger. Okay, now when it's done, the final result of it will be look like this. As you can see, the camera is following the movement from the object that I tracked, and that's the way to create it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.